So guys, for the first step, you're going to get into this screen. Now to get here, you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you're going to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You're going to repeat this 3 times. So you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you're going to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when you turn your computer on, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You're going to click on Advanced Options. And then once you're on this, I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways on how you can fix this problem. So for the first method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Start Up Repair. If you do not see Start Up Repair, you're going to click on Serial Recovery Options, then it should appear right here. So you're going to click on Start Up Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. Now hopefully this would have fixed your problem. If not, we're going to click on Advanced Options. And now for the second method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then System Restore. If you have a restore point enabled on your computer, then you're going to click on Next and then go back to your restore point. This should then fix your problem. If you don't have a restore point, that's fine. We're going to click on Cancel. And now for the next method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in chkdsk /f /r c colon. Click on Enter. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. For me, this scan's going to take another 10 minutes, so I'm just going to get off this so I can just finish the video. But in your case, you just want to run this whole scan. Once you complete the scan, you want to get off this as well. Now, you're going to click on Continue, which will then take you back to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.